Hey guys, welcome back to DelftStack. And today I will be discussing how to report emergency vehicle on Waze. So, to do this process, what you could try to do is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Waze application into your device. Now, here, as you can see, you will have an option where it is triangle on the right side of the screen, color yellow with the plus icon. So go ahead and tap and hold it, and you will have the police icon over here, as you can see. Or if you don't see that, you can just simply tap on it. Now, as you can see, guys, you will have multiple options over here, whether it is police, traffic, and any categories over here. So if you want to report an emergency vehicle, the closest thing that you could get is the police. So when we say police, it means it has fire or ambulance. So pretty much the best option that you have is the police icon. And from here on the report police tab, you will have an option mobile camera, or if the police is hidden, or if it's on the other side. So pretty much over here, you will have an option to report it. And as you can see, you will get some rewards on your report. So pretty much this will help others too to know that there are an emergency vehicle on the way. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.